Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AAA Tech. In this video, I will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation for free. This step-by-step guide will make it super easy for you to get started with virtualization on your PC. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the official website of the VMware Workstation. Click on the desktop hypervisor solutions. On this page, you have to click on the download VMware Workstation. It will open up a new window. A login page will appear. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not registered, click on the login button here and then click on register. Fill in the required details to create your account. After completing the registration, close the website. And click on again download for your workstation. Now you have an account. Enter the credentials. Click on next. Once logged in, click on my dashboard from the menu bar. In the dashboard, use the search bar to search for VMware Workstation Pro. Click on this link and scroll down the page to look at the download link. Choose the latest version of VMware Workstation for your operating system. Once selected, you will be redirected to a new page. Click on I agree the terms and conditions. Now here you can see the screening required. You have to click on this download button. Prior to downloading this file, additional verification is required. Proceed. Yes, click on yes. Complete the form and submit it. After submitting, hover your mouse over the download button to ensure it shows an HTTPS download link. Then click to the start download. Here it will take us some time. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your download folders and run the installer. Click on next and check the box I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click on next again. Click on next again and uncheck the box and check the box check for product updates with startup. Click on next and then again click on next and click on install. Click on finish and search here VMware Workstation Pro and open. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed VMware Workstation Pro for free. With this software, you can create and run virtual machines effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AAA Tech for more tech videos. Have questions or want me to cover another topic? Let me know in the comments below. Jazakallah khair for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.